How to log in Nedbank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Nedbank online banking account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go and search for Nedbank online banking login, and after searching for that, here you can go for secure online banking under Nedbank. Simply click on that, and now it will take you to the web page. So you can simply go for login, which is on the upper right, or you can also go for here on the bottom left, which is go to online banking. Now it will take you to a login page. So now to log into your account, here you need to enter your username, and here you need to enter your password of your online banking. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for register, which is here, and after clicking on register, you can create a new account with online banking. But if you already have an account, then simply enter your username and then password. But if you forgot your login details, then you can go for forgot your details, and you can get some instructions to log into your account. So if you remember, then simply enter your username and password, and then you can click on login, which is here. And after clicking on login, you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Nedbank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.